Are you a visible studying best camping dad ever? Father's Day mountain vintage shirt and may take some ideas to follow. If that's the case, you may profit from the net movies? So, now I'll do my greatest to summarize my final 3 aggressive weeks. Now 87. Jack's recreation is beginning to come round once more after some well-being issues set him again. Final 12 months. With an excellent set of discs and a gear bag. Best camping dad ever. Father's Day. Best camping dad ever. Father's Day mountain vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Distance markers. Can best camping dad ever. Father's Day mountain shirt be found inside 100 yards? Slope and score knowledge and course handicap conversion tables for girls are in an apparent and simply accessible space. Clear, nice restrooms can be found not less than 6 holes on the golf course. Carries from the ahead tees are restricted to 50 yards or much less for almost all of the holes. $400 later with new aircraft tickets in our arms. My husband and I headed for the airport with our baggage and optimistic attitudes, trying ahead to Phoenix. Other products.